Hello class 9. Today I am going to start with classes of nutrients, that is food substances, in chapter 10, that is nutrition. Classes of nutrients. There are 6 classes of food substances called nutrient. These are carbohydrate, fats, protein, mineral salt, vitamins and water. 3 classes of food substances collectively called nutrients. Now first one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are the compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, with hydrogen and oxygen always in the ratio of 2:1. Suppose if the formula is C6, H12 and O6, तो मीन्स हेयर हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का जो रेशियो होगा दैट इज ऑलवेज 2:1. इट्स जस्ट डबल टू ऑक्सीजन, डबल फ्रॉम ऑक्सीजन, दैट इज हाइड्रोजन 12 and oxygen 6. It's just half. Now they are oxidized in the cell to release energy. Carbohydrates include sugar, starch and cellulose. Sugar are soluble in cold water like sugar, sweet in taste, sweet. Broadly the sugar in our food are of two major categories: monosaccharides and disaccharides. Monosaccharide and disaccharides. Basically sugars are soluble in cold water, and sweet in taste. First category, this is monosaccharide or also called simple sugar. For example, glucose, fructose, galactose, easily soluble in water. And disaccharide, here 2 sugar molecules are present, so it is also called double saccharide. See here, C12H22O11 means just double to this formula, C6H12O6. Here only 1 sugar molecule is present, here 2 sugar molecules are present. So named as mono. Mono means 1 saccharide sugar molecule. Disaccharides, di means 2, saccharide means sugar, and here 2 molecules of sugar or double sugars are present. Now this one, monosaccharides with the general formula, chemical formula, that is C6H12O6. As you know, these need no digestion and are straight away absorbed into the body. 3 types of such simple sugars are glucose, fructose and galactose. Glucose, properly known as grape sugar. It is from the grape sugar, is the most common and simplest sugar found in the organism. When we say blood sugar, it means glucose level in the blood. When we say blood sugar, it means glucose level in the blood. Now next is fructose. Fructose mostly commonly occurred in the plant. It is also called fruit sugar. It is also called fruit sugar. Fructose, fruit sugar, basically occur in common in plants and properly, so it is called as fruit sugar. Next is galactose, another simple form of sugar found in milk. Now glucose occur in also called as grape sugar or easily soluble in body, or also called a blood sugar. It is present in the blood, so it is called a blood sugar. Fructose occur from the plant, that's why it's called plant sugar or fruit sugar. Galactose occur in milk, found in milk. Now next is disaccharides, have a general chemical formula C12H22O11. These are also 3 and require digestion: sucrose, maltose and lactose. Sucrose, maltose and lactose. Sucrose is our commercial sugar we use in our kitchen, that is sucrose, commercial sugar. It is commonly obtained from the sugar cane. It is obtained from the sugar cane. In our country, another source of the sucrose is beet. Sucrose is a double sugar made up of glucose and fructose. Sucrose is made up of glucose plus fructose is equal to sucrose. Glucose and fructose forms sucrose. Maltose, also called malt sugar, made up of 2 glucose molecule. 2 glucose plus glucose and forms maltose. And next one, lactose, milk sugar, made up of glucose plus galactose. Glucose and galactose forms lactose. Now once again, sucrose is our commercial sugar when we use in the kitchen. It is commonly obtained from sugarcane in our country. Another source of sucrose in the sugar beet. Sucrose is double sugar made up of two simple sugar, that is glucose and fructose. Next is maltose, also called the malt sugar, made up of two glucose, glucose plus glucose, and forms maltose. Lactose, or also called milk sugar. Lactose also called milk sugar, made up of glucose and galactose. Made up of glucose and galactose form lactose. Glucose and galactose form lactose. Now next one is starch. It is easily insoluble. It is not easily, or it is insoluble carbohydrate. It is in the form that plant commonly store carbohydrate, potato, grains like rice, maize, wheat, barley and bread are the chief sources of the starch. The starch has a chemical formula C6H10O5. C6H10O5N. Is number increase in the form of chain. It is a type of polysaccharide. So here number, it's add होता रहता है, number आगे बढ़ता रहता है. It's a polysaccharide. More than 2 sugars molecules are there. So it is number. Here the number of sugar molecule presence. Now starch, it is also known as insoluble, where it is present potatoes, grains like maize, rice, wheat, barley, bread. Chief source of the starch, it is a type of, it is also a polysaccharide. It is a polysaccharide. The two insoluble polysaccharides carbohydrate that is in your course, that is cellulose and glycogen. It is very important according to your syllabus. Both are polysaccharides, both are insoluble, but occurrence are different. Here cellulose found in the plant cell, as you know, it unused in our body, but it contributes in providing roughage for proper functioning of the gut. For proper functioning of the gut, it is useful for our body for providing roughage for proper functioning of the gut. Glycogen in the form in which the carbohydrates are stored in animal, mainly where it is stored glycogen in the liver and some also in muscles. Now again, what is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate are the principal energy source of the body. It is of three types: sugar, starch and cellulose. Sugar also divided into two parts, that is monosaccharides and disaccharides. Monosaccharides means only single one molecule of sugar is present. Disaccharides, only two molecules of sugar are present. For example, monosaccharides, so glucose, fructose and galactose. Disaccharides examples are sucrose, maltose, lactose. And next one is the starch. The starch is a type of polysaccharides, insoluble in water, and where it is present potato, grains. It is a rich source. Formula is C6H10O5 in whole n, that is a number of sugar molecules. The next is cellulose. It is indigestible, or it is occur in the plant cell wall, but no functioning in our human body, but providing roughage for the proper functioning of the gut. And glycogen, where it is stored in the liver. You just read it properly, and mainly in liver and some present in the muscles also. Carbohydrate are the principal energy source of the body. 1 mole of glucose releases how much energy? 686 kilocalorie. 686 kilocalorie is equal to 1 mole of glucose. 1 mole glucose releases 686 kilocalorie energy. What is roughage? Roughage is a non-digestible cellulose. Roughage is a non-digestible cellulose. The cell of all plants have cell wall made up of cellulose. As you know, plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. When we eat fruit, raw vegetables and other plant material, cellulose is not digested in our food canal. This is because we have no cellulose digesting enzyme. But it is easily digestible by cow, buffaloes and other animals, other herbivorous animals, but it is not easily digested by human body because no cellulose digesting enzyme present in our body. The undigested cellulose being fibrous in nature and act as a roughage. Roughage is an undigestible cellulose which is present in our body, and contributes in the providing roughage for the proper functioning of the gut. What is the role of this roughage? What is the role? Being fibrous, cellulose absorb a lot of water and retain it, thus help in keeping the fecal matter soft and prevents constipation. Mainly, the main role of roughage is to prevent constipation. The movement of undigested food through the intestine become easier. It stimulates the muscle contraction in the intestinal wall, making the movement of the fecal matter easy. Movement of the undigested food through the intestine become easier. What are the sources of roughage? Vegetable, fruits, corn, half crushed bread, that is called dalia, are the chief source of roughage in our food. Cabbage is one vegetable which provide a lot of roughage. Cabbage provide us lot of roughage, and good source is vegetables, fruit, corn, half crushed wheat, that is called dalia. The chief source of roughage in our body, cabbage is the one vegetable which can provide a lot of roughage. Now next one is fat. Fat is composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. But here oxygen content is less accordingly to in comparison to this carbohydrate. The oxygen content in these nutrients is much less. They produce more energy. Than carbohydrate. Do 1 mole of fat releases 1 mole of fat releases 9.45 kilocalorie energy, and 1 mole of glucose releases 6 kilocalorie energy. Common food rich in fats are butter, cream, vegetable oil, fats and fatty acid and glycerol. Fats and oils are made up of fatty acid and glycerol. Fats is made up of fatty acid and glycerol. Function of fat: basically produce energy in the body. Second, it is an important storage form of food. It serves as a solvent for fat soluble vitamin. Fat under the skin protect the body against a rapid loss of heat, that is insulation. Now again, what are the function of fat? Produce energy. Second, storage form of food. Serve as a solvent for fat soluble vitamins. Fat under the skin protects the body against a rapid loss of heat, means insulating in function.